Kanong yalam kathama urangli kakong Angela Rengat kala kerpat yo chairperson ka Meghalaya Lokayukta uba bhalang dhar man pelong ya ka jing Tohkit halor ka jing Torti ya ka Interstate Bus Terminal Isbt ha Mawiong kabala jaw na ka jing ther uslap dang shen. Kakong Angela kala IT ya ka jing ujor halor ka ni ha uba bhalang mentakas nginingkong ka khandru trik ujumang. Ha ka shithi kala kado baka ni ka jingtay kabarang shisnem kala orpaj pat jaw kabala banday na ka jing shna torti.
Today we have lodged an official complaint because we saw in the newspapers about this. And actually the office of the Lokayukta also has the powers to summon documents, to summon people. They also have the powers to institute an inquiry. But they also have the power to actually take up such issues suo motu. But we're not waiting for that because we don't know if it will happen. So we have come to officially put in a complaint that the Lokayukta has to seriously inquire into this lapse and that this actually is criminal negligence. It can actually lead to loss of lives also, such shoddy construction. So everybody who has been involved in this project, from giving clearance to those who were responsible to actually checking it before there's a transfer of money to the contractors. I think everybody, the public, must have read in the newspapers about the shoddy construction of the Isbt. It was a project that was inaugurated in July 2021 and just 6 weeks ago became operational. And the past few days, with just a little bit of rain, we are not even in the middle of monsoons, this construction has been leaking. There have been major cracks. We, the public, cannot accept, because it is your money and my money, people's money, that has gone into the making of this Isbt, something that we require, we need, And if this shoddy construction is allowed to just go like that without holding accountable those people involved in this construction,